Okay, everyone, the moment that you've all been waiting for. Here is a demo of our new and improved weekly people planning that has been put in Salesforce and out of Google Docs. So we have a new custom page where each of the project managers will enter their requests for resources. And we've set this up so that all resources would be entered through this screen, not just developer resources, so that we can get a better handle on overall capacity for all of the folks that are billable. And so there's an entry screen, and then there is a couple of reports that we can see the results of the entries. So the screen's pretty similar to what we have in the Google Doc. There is a drop down for the week starting. We're starting on Mondays, which is good. And then there's also a couple of filters where you can filter by requester, by resource, by project. Most people will be selecting requester and their particular name. So for every resource, for every project, there is a row. We can add new rows if we just want to add a blank. We can also clone rows and to make it easy to change a resource. So I'm going to go and select Krishna as a developer on Network Fleet and leave her that, and then I will put in Apple FileMaker since I know that's in here. I'll put in Jake, and I'll put in Consulting Manager. I know he's going to be working quite a bit on that and next week, and I'm going to go ahead and clone that row as well and say that we're going to have let's go ahead and put Aaron on FileMaker as well, and keep him at 4 hours a day. So then I go ahead and click Save, and there we have it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now when I flip over to the reporting side, I have a report, and we select the date up here. I run the report. It's grouped by the role that is selected on the input screen. So I've got all my consulting managers up here, so I can see that, Jake's got, looks like 7 hours a day. Mary's got a couple of hours a day, and down here by developer, I can see the spread of all of the developers by project. So down here with Jared, I can see that he's got FileMaker as well as VRS. And I've also got Krisha down here doing FileMaker and Network Fleet support. On this particular report, there's an additional column that shows if any one of the days is greater than 8 hours, it flags it as true. And then that way we can easily see, especially as the list grows, who might be overbooked and how we can respread things. We also have a view by project, so let's rerun this report and get the latest and greatest data. So I can see that we've got 95 hours for the Apple FileMaker project with these 4 resources. I've got 2 resources for Network Fleet support for 45 hours, and on VRS I've got 20 hours, and then that gives us the total expected billable hours for the coming week, and hopefully this number will be a lot higher once we get everybody's entries in. So that's it. Would love to get some feedback, and let's get this into production so we can start using it. Thanks so much.